I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry.
Was that your spit?
I sneezed by accident.
Oh my god! Take.
Then you tell me something else.
What?
Sebas.
What?
Sebas!
Come on, babe. Babe, my
Did you
bad.
just sneeze in my face?
Babe, my bad, my bad.
No, Sebas, what's wrong with you? Do I need an umbrella here?
Freeze.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
Did you sneeze on me? I can taste it.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, that was disgusting.
I just have allergies and it just like went everywhere. I'm so sorry.
Bro. I just showered. I showered in Talia's spit. What the heck was that? How'd that even happen?
شو هيدا؟ أنا في قرفك ولا؟
Oh my god, sorry.
Sorry?
I didn't mean to.
برمى وجهك لهونيك.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
You serious?
Sorry.
Come on, man. That's disgusting. You need a tissue?
Yeah, can you give me a tissue?
What, bro? What are you doing?
My
Why
nose-
all over it?
Did I get it on you?
Yeah, you got it on me
I'm
all over my
sorry.
face. You're ridiculous.
You need the tissue?
No, I'm good. I cleaned it. You good, man?
Nine, Jeff, you want some? I got a cold. I know you did not just. I got a cold bag. You know, it's nothing that